ISEE hair, come to the front, because you cannot tell me this is not my hair. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae. Today we are unboxing ISEE's half wig ombre 18-inch curly natural hair for the natural girlies. Okay, let's get into this package. First of all, it was packaged very well. I was highly impressed. It came with lashes, a bonnet, wig caps, edge brush, hair clips, bands, you name it, it was in it. A coupon for the next purchase. I was thoroughly impressed with this packaging. They did that 10 out of 10. Upon touching the hair, it was very soft. It literally felt exactly like regular natural hair, which I really did love. So this is what it looks like. I think it was a little bit longer than 18 inches. I'm not gonna lie. I did cut a little bit and you'll see that, but yeah. So this is a half wig, which means you have to leave the front of your hair out. So I did go ahead and wash and condition my hair because it had that Barbie doll fake hair smell that I really hate. So I washed it, and I should have washed it maybe twice or with a stronger product, but anyways, it wasn't that bad. It just smelled like Barbie doll hair. But I did let it soak for like 20 minutes in the conditioner just to get that softness after washing it, and the texture was perfect. So I let it get clean, and then I let it drip dry overnight as best as it could. I did not want to put any heat on it because I feel like it was just not necessary to do that, because this is a natural type of hair, so it could be a little bit wet and wavy. So again, I just let it dry on a towel with a fan on, and then we will see how I style it the next morning. All right, so we are about to try out for the first time the ISEE hair half wig. I got it in the ombre brown in the 18-inch, and I'm super excited because I washed it last night and it looks like it could be my hair for real. So we're about to try this out. I love the packaging. It comes with this cute bag, which is super cute, pretty pink packaging with this glitter, and they gave you quite a bit of stuff. You guys saw that in the unboxing, but that is super nice because this is a half wig and I still got all this stuff: a bonnet, a band, extra strap for the back, some wig caps, Instagram or a connect card for their TikTok and how to remove unpleasant odors, which is what I did last night. So they had instructions on here. I didn't even look at it. Yeah, I did wash it with shampoo and conditioner last night, and yeah, so far I'm really impressed, and the quality of the hair looks really good. So I'm super excited to see. Let's get into it because I'm really excited, and I have some things to do today. So this is what my natural hair is looking like. It is just washed. Okay, I did not blow dry it or anything. It is just a little bit damp, but that is okay. I'm gonna braid the back. I'm gonna part it in the front to leave some leave out, and then I'm gonna braid the back going down in some big doodle braids. But yeah, that's the plan. And as you can see, oh, let's get the wig. Tell me, does this not look like my color, my hair pattern? The color is just a little bit brighter, but it still goes really well with my hair. My hair is just a little bit dark because I had put some dark dye when I did my last hairstyle. But tell me the curls are not sisters. Like, ooh. I'm actually really impressed. So let me go ahead and part my hair off just from ear to ear. Oh, look at that line. Okay, now I'm going to fix the line. From Creole Essence is the Haitian black castor oil. This one is really good for some hair growth. And then I have the scalp stimulator oil from Baskin Lather. I'm going to use my black castor oil for the first install, and then as I maintain it in a couple days, I will use this one. So we're going to go ahead and do some drops down the braids. All right, so here we go. This is now where we do the install. I'm just gonna put this little part in a hair tie and pin it up. We're gonna see if that works, and if not, I'll adjust it as needed. But y'all, I'm so excited because I need something quick to do with my hair. So here's the wig again. Let's see. I'm gonna put it on first, and then we'll figure out the actual blending of the front. But I'm excited. I think this is gonna be really cute, and I'll get some longevity out of this wig because it is made really, really well. Look at the cap on the inside. I'm not really excited about the combs. I don't think I'm gonna use all 3 of them. I'm gonna really rely on the band and the drawstring. Just getting the hair out of there. All right, so let's leave it as tight as it is first. So I've got the band on. All right, let's flip it. All right, so I already see it needs to be really, really tight. So I'm just gonna drawstring it closed in the back and then do that again. Let's close the band. I think the tighter the better, especially in the beginning because it's not loose. So I'm just gonna tighten the band real quick. Okay, that feels way better. All right, so this is it on, immediately on. I love the texture of it. A little bit of shedding, but I think that's just something that happens with hair in general. But all right, so now let's do all of the shaping and tweaking that we need to do. But this is the first impression. I must say, I think it's pretty cute. It's a little bit brighter on the ends and I love, like I want the ombre to be, well, the ombre is pretty good. It's just my hair is a little bit darker brown right now. But let's go ahead and try to blend this. So to blend this, I have a few curly products. I have Curls Poppin' Pineapple Collection So Def Curl Defining Cream. I think I'm going to use this first. And then I also have the Blueberry Juice from Curls Curl Moisturizer. I think I'm using this on the actual hair. And I also have some more curling products from Art of Beauty. So we're just going to try to see what we got to do this thing. All right, so I have this band hanging out right here. I don't really know. Is it supposed to go in the front? Because the drawstring is doing a good job in the back. Slightest amount right here. There we go. Like I want it to be gradual. You see that? Let's do this right here. Just a little bit. You see the difference? Kinda, sorta. I don't want to do too short now, but I definitely want just a little bit of volume. All right, let's do this side. Doesn't that look so much better? Yeah, it's giving. All right. All right, the face is wow, this looks really good. All right, let's go ahead and take out these two, and then I'm just gonna do a quick little edge. Y'all see the blend? Ah, that's so cute. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's blending, honey. It's blending. I'm not gonna unravel my little twisties because I wanna keep it like its shape, because again, I do have a little bit of heat damage right now. But let's go ahead and take out these 3. And I just had it in little twisties for like 5 minutes. Oh yeah. This is so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. What do we think? Is it giving? Is it giving this could be my hair? Should I wet it a bit more? I don't want to wet it too much because the more you wet it, the more when it dries it's gonna puff. So I don't want to wet it too much. And I don't want to add any products since this is the first day wearing this, so, and I don't really want to part either. It's good enough. It looks natural. Well, this is it, guys. Okay, I love this so much. This is a half wig and I love it. It literally looks like my hair. You see my hair right here? Yeah, they are definitely in the same family and I love it. And I could do a little, ooh, let me do my edges real quick. But y'all, if you want a wig like this, you need to shop ISEE Hair. Click the orange shopping cart because this baby, we're gonna be wearing her for Thanksgiving for sure. I love it so much. It definitely is giving natural tease. Okay, definitely natural tease, and I love it. It is semi-wet right now, but when I tell you I love this so much, it's just giving. I did shape it just a little bit in the front, and I think it's cute. What y'all think? Let me know. Is it not giving? Yes, it's giving. Oh, I love it so much. For my edge control, I'm just going to use a little bit of this Basque and Lather, and I'm going to use the brand new edge brush that they gave in the package. Wet my brush a little bit using my favorite gel, and we're just going to do just a little swoop here. Yes, ma'am. It's giving. It is giving. All right, you guys, I'm gonna leave the link down below, straight from TikTok Shop, y'all. My YouTube. Y'all know I gotta do multiple content at once. I love it. 10 out of 10. The blend is really, really nice. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.